Imagine a time when humanity's eyes were fixed on the heavens. A time when two superpowers, driven by ideology and ambition, dared to launch their dreams into orbit. The space race was not simply a contest of rockets and satellites, it was a struggle for national pride, technological supremacy, and the very future of mankind. Today, we will journey through this remarkable chapter of history, exploring the events that set our sights on the stars and forever changed the way we view our place in the universe. In the aftermath of World War II, the world found itself divided into two rival camps, the United States and the Soviet Union. With tensions mounting during the Cold War, both nations sought to prove their superiority, not only on Earth, but in the vast expanse of space. The stakes were incredibly high. Success in space would demonstrate a nation's scientific prowess and ideological strength, while failure could shatter national confidence. Our story begins with the launch of Sputnik 1 in 1957 by the Soviet Union. This small metallic sphere, emitting a series of beeps, became the first human-made object to orbit our planet. It sent shockwaves around the globe and ignited a fierce sense of urgency in the United States. Suddenly the challenge was clear. If we were to catch up and claim our own place among the stars, we would have to innovate, invest, and dream bigger than ever before. In this era of rapid technological progress and intense rivalry, every launch, every setback, and every milestone carried immense symbolic weight. For the Soviet Union, early successes such as the first human spaceflight, Yuri Gagarin's historic orbit in 1961, proved that they could push the boundaries of what was thought possible. Gagarin's jubilant exclamation upon seeing Earth from space, "I see the Earth, it is so beautiful," captured the imagination of millions and fueled further achievements. Across the Atlantic, the United States was determined to reclaim its scientific prestige. President John F. Kennedy's stirring call to action in 1961 promised that a man would walk on the moon before the decade's end. This bold vision led to the creation of the Apollo program, an unprecedented national effort that marshaled the talents of thousands of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. Every test flight, every rocket engine burn, and every moment of uncertainty was a step toward that singular goal, landing on the moon and returning safely to Earth. As the space race escalated, both sides experienced triumphs and setbacks that underscored the high stakes of the contest. Early American missions encountered challenges, and the loss of crew members reminded everyone of the inherent risks of space exploration. Yet these setbacks only served to galvanize the effort further. Each failure was dissected, learned from, and transformed into a stepping stone toward eventual success. It was a time when innovation was born out of adversity, and when the determination to explore drove rapid advancements in technology. By the late 1960s, the cumulative efforts of scientists and engineers culminated in the Apollo 11 mission. On July 20, 1969, millions around the world watched as Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin made history by landing on the moon. Armstrong's legendary words, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind," resonated as a powerful symbol of what human courage and ingenuity can achieve. This moment did not merely represent a technological breakthrough, it embodied the collective aspiration of a world united in wonder and possibility. But the space race was more than just a competition between two nations. It sparked a revolution in science, technology, and international cooperation. The breakthroughs achieved during this period laid the groundwork for innovations that would transform our everyday lives, from satellite communications and weather forecasting to global positioning systems and advancements in material science. The legacy of the space race is evident in the many ways that space technology has reshaped our modern world. Beyond technological advancements, the space race also reshaped cultural perceptions. It redefined how we viewed our planet, a fragile blue marble suspended in the vast darkness of space. Photographs taken from space, such as the iconic Earthrise image captured during the Apollo missions, inspired a new environmental consciousness and a deeper appreciation for our shared home. The realization that national boundaries faded against the backdrop of the cosmos fostered a sense of unity and global responsibility that continues to influence international dialogue today. However, as the fervor of the space race waned, both superpowers began to recognize that collaboration might be more fruitful than rivalry. By the 1970s, joint ventures such as the Apollo-Soyuz test project signaled the beginning of a new era, one where the lessons of competition paved the way for cooperation in space exploration. Today, international projects like the International Space Station stand as testaments to what humanity can achieve when we work together toward common goals. In reflecting on the space race, we are reminded that the drive to explore the unknown is a fundamental aspect of human nature. The challenges we face in reaching the stars are not merely technical hurdles, they are expressions of our deepest aspirations. As we continue to push the boundaries of exploration, we honor the legacy of those early pioneers who dared to dream big and risk everything for the sake of discovery. What, then, is the most enduring legacy of the space race? Is it the technological marvels that have become integral to our lives? Or is it the spirit of relentless curiosity that continues to propel us forward? Perhaps it is both, a reminder that even amid intense rivalry and uncertainty, the pursuit of knowledge can unite us and elevate the human spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of history's most transformative eras. As we look to the future of space exploration, let us remember the bold steps taken during the space race and the lessons they imparted. If you found this exploration enlightening, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the events that have propelled humanity to new frontiers.